Right now, I'm going to add another test. Robot test case 009.robot. The familiar procedure, space, control space, settings, library, Selenium, library. After which we go with variables, then test cases, and after which keywords. Now, test case requires a name, as you know, something like that. Right now, I'm on a web page which I would like to record. I click Robocorder and start recording. First of all, interest rate. Amortization period. What was there? 30. I'd like to do 40. 6 months. Then interest term 60 and 8 months. Then start date. Okay, I'll leave it as is 8, 2024. Period payment bi-weekly and variable interest type from variable to fixed. And I'm going to click on calculate now. This is it. This is the result. I'm going back to Robocorder. Stop my recording. Copy to clipboard. I return back to PyCharm and paste it. Now I'm gonna add and close browser. Okay. At this point, I'd like to format it first of all using tab. Please do not forget we're using Python here. Okay. Then I'm going to format click element. I'm gonna split it. This is drop down and button. Okay, at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my recording, this lecture on pause, and I'm going to format it to the variables, all of this. Okay. After I split and formatted our test, I've got this variables section. I split it for example, input amount variable and actual amount, input rate, rate, input years, years, and so on, month, month, period, period, term, term, and so on. With selectors, select interest, interest, and button calculate finally. This is our financial web test formatted. I'm gonna call it, yeah, it's okay. Okay, so this is formatted. I added sleep 1 second. As you can see, it's really nice formatted. Now, let's convert all of this to keywords. So I'll copy this and create keyword. Start mortgage test. I'll copy. Instead of this one, start mortgage test. Then input amount. I'll copy it. Then would be rate. Okay. Always provide meaningful variables and keyword names. Then years. Slowly copy it. Then months. This type of job requires passion. Then period. As you can see, whatever we add, it's already available. Then term. because we have already mortgage term months. Then payment. Payment cycle properly would be. Then interest type properly from variable to fixed. Then we need to calculate okay, we are close. And finally, finish financial test. Good. Right now we totally formatted our test at this point, and we need to add two interesting inserts. Before I select everything and before I click calculate payment outcome, I want to take a screenshot. Not in the keywords, but an actual test. Before I calculate payment outcome keyword, you click enter and you start typing CAPTCHA. You see there are two type of CAPTCHA screenshots. Some kind of element if you want some kind of screenshot. But what I'm interested, and you should be interested in CAPTCHA page screenshot. Right now, we're gonna be capturing page screenshot before and after calculate payment outcome. So all you need to do, you need to figure out your project path and take and name your screenshot before, let's say, mortgage data before. Mortgage data before. Mortgage data before PNG. Now I'll copy all this. Copy. I come here and I paste it. Payment results. payment results PNG. Now I need to create another another two keywords. So first of all, copy this one. Calculate payment, so it's gonna be here. Take input data screenshot evidence. Good. Now take this one, this keyword, and I substitute all this. Good. Now same here, same process. Take payment outcome screenshot evidence. You suppose, if you're professional tester, you're supposed to provide screenshot. You're supposed to provide evidence. That's what I'm talking about. Keyword, different names, mortgage data before, or would be better mortgage data input. Okay, never mind. Okay. And right after, calculate page outcome. Okay, let me check it. All formatted. Now I want to add this one, sleep 1 second. Also here, sleep 1 second. And now if we are totally formatted our original robocorder script, as you can see. We're using libraries, Selenium libraries, all converted to variables. Now our test case is different. Now it looks nice because we or everything with variables we created, we converted to keywords, absolutely everything. And we are taking two evidence, before and after screenshots. Now it's time to save it and execute it. File, save all. Let us see. Okay, I'm typing. Robot tests RTC009 dot robot. Let me check it. Robot tests dot robot. Okay, enter. Let's see how properly formatted robot framework tests, what kind of result we can get. Execution has been started. Okay, we're close. Calculate. Proper results. Okay, it should be shut down soon. I put sleep to 3 seconds. Okay, we're here. Okay, logs created. Let us check. First of all, I'm gonna refresh it. And let me see. So, Mortgage data before. Screenshot. Okay. We took mortgage data before screenshot. Evidence. Let's see payment results, which is after we press calculate now button. Payment results evidence is awesome. Both of them are right to the point. Test input data, test output data outcome. Very good, very good. Exactly what we wanted. Now, let's see our logs. Open in browser, let's say Chrome. Okay, final result log. All pass, all nice. Now I want to see output XML. Please do not forget about it. Also. And finally, report XML. Very good. Very good, I like it. Excellent. So this is it. This is exactly if you will be ever asked to use robot framework, you might do your tests. First of all, rely and apply on RoboCorder. RoboCorder has excellent web elements locators abilities. Don't worry about it. Secondly, record your test in RoboCorder format first. Ensure the dry run is nice. Second step, you convert everything to variables nicely. Rerun your test with variables. And finally, create keywords. Make sure you are using Python. You should be using space indentation. All nicely. And do not forget to take two types of evidence here. Before your data input, when your data input is completed, take screenshot evidence. Right here. This is your screenshot evidence. And after done, this is your outcome, test outcome. Everything good, everything nice. Do not be afraid to use robot framework. That's it. See you in the next lectures.